Google Ads for a legal practice. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the different types of campaigns that we run for our legal clients and how we generate hundreds of leads each and every month for our legal clients. It's actually not that very hard to do, and I'm going to walk you through exactly what you need to do in this video. If you like this video, don't forget, hit that thumbs icon and subscribe. So let's walk you through this live Google ad account right now. So here I am in a live legal account. And as you can see, I'm looking for at the month of October in 2023. So this is really recent data. And clicks versus conversions. So obviously clicks are clicks on the ad and conversions are leads. So the first thing we have to do is we have to set up proper conversion tracking so that we can have transparency of all the different types of leads that we want to track. So if I go to the conversion tracking section in this account, I've gone tools and settings under measurement and then conversions. You'll see here, these are all the different conversions actions that we are tracking. We're tracking people who fill in the online form, people who click on the phone number on the website. So that's different to the call extensions, which is the call button in the Google ad itself. This is Google hosted, so that is a clicked call button on usually Google My Business, and this is an email form which is a separate online inquiry to the other one, as well as we're doing a book an appointment. So many different types of conversion tracking to account for the different ways that people are going to get in contact with this particular client. It's important to set up all these different types of conversion tracking so that you have transparency of where and how all the different leads are coming into your business. Now coming back to our campaigns, and you'll see here we have a number of different campaigns targeting different keywords. Each of them have their own different bid strategy, and they serve their own function. So the reason we separate our keywords into different campaigns is because we want to allocate a different budget to certain keywords. We have different location targeting for those different keywords, and also for a bid strategy point of view. All right, so here you can see high level for this first campaign, we got click-through rate of just under 8%. So, 6,000 odd impressions, almost 500 clicks, which leads to a click-through rate of, as I said, almost 8%. And as you can see here, we've generated 82 leads from this campaign specifically, with a conversion rate of 16.73%. So really good conversion rate, and our cost per lead comes in at $78. More than profitable, particularly for this type of work, for this particular type of client. So they're very happy to spend a decent amount of money. We have another strategy, which is what's called near me keywords, so targeting certain types of lawyers near me. Once again, that's also a really hot tip for you, and effective strategy that works really well. It gets almost a 7% click-through rate and almost a 20% conversion rate. So of the clicks that we're getting, almost 20% of those clicks are converting into leads. And this is a specific type of service that this particular client gives and provides, and this you can see converts at 25%, and we're not talking about 1 or 2 clicks, we're talking about almost 500 clicks. So really effective strategy. We also target certain suburbs, so you can see geo, and so that is also a very effective strategy, and our cost per lead, you can see here, comes in at $52, which is the cheapest leads that we seem to be getting for this particular client. And we have a bunch of whole other different strategies. So structure is really important when you're creating these campaigns. So you want to make sure your ad groups have really tightly themed keywords with an ad that's really relevant for those particular types of keywords. And you want to make sure you have a really good bid strategy with enough budget to make sure that Google kind of has enough data in order to optimize for those kinds of bid strategies. We also test new keywords in separate campaigns so that we can really easily see how they're performing. And as you can see here, we've been testing a new campaign with new types of keywords like conveyancing. And as you can see here, we've got 33 clicks, so a bit under 5% click-through rate. So we could probably make some steps to improve that click-through rate, and it's had no conversions. So then we need to decide, can we tighten up the search terms and add some negative keywords to try and improve the traffic? And even if we do that, will that generate leads? And if not, then maybe we just find those keywords not profitable. Or we could also try and improve the landing page and where we're sending the traffic to try and increase and try and generate some leads from that. So there you have it. Google Ads for a legal practice is a really, really effective way to grow your practice, generate leads online, and you can be really, really strategic in how you do so. If you like this video, don't forget, hit that thumbs icon and subscribe, and maybe check out my website, teachtraffic.com, if you want to learn how you can do this for your legal practice. Thanks for watching.